Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our breakaway seat box for this for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook, box break number 58. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. So in the box is just a little bit hard to see, so I can cut the plastic first. Serial number is NE206-541073. That's NE206-541073. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. Start off with the jersey card of Adam Henrique for the Devils. It is numbered 98 out of 99. Do the booklet last. Base card for the Canadiens of Max Pacioretty, 18 out of 25. And then you got a first round edition booklet of Nail Yakupov for the Oilers, 9 out of 25. There you go. Nice hit for Edmonton. 9 out of 25, Nail Yakupov. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.